it's finished. So just let us take a quick look. Nothing there? Oh yes, there is. Hello to you and welcome to my ID.3. My name is Frode and now I'm sitting in a parking lot. I'm going to deliver the car to Møller Bil Trondheim, the dealership here in Trondheim. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow they're going to install the tow hook and I'll get the bike rack. So they'll use the whole day tomorrow to do that, and that will be interesting to see when they destroy the car to get this thing installed. I wonder. So I'll go in, deliver the keys, and I'll get the keys to a loan car, which probably is a fossil car. Maybe that one or that one. Probably that one. There's a guy who just delivered it. They said I could come in late in the day because there was another car coming in that I'm supposed to loan, and I couldn't come too early because the other car was coming in today. So probably that car, I don't know. Yes, let's go in. Okay. Hey, it was a Max. Woo! Oh, that I was a big person who has used this car. Shit! Let's see. I'm going up. Okay. The heat pump in this car is really loud, and it's kind of vibrating the steering wheel. It's not going now, but when I was driving, it was like very different from my own car. This car has traveled over 6,000 kilometers, so it's like 6 times what I've done. But yeah, it's almost 7,000. Yeah. Interesting. Cars, they seem alike, but they're not completely alike. And I can't figure out how to get the travel assist to work properly with this car. I don't know. I must have forgot. Okay, now the transport hook. It's not a tow hook, it's a transport hook. It's installed. So, and they told me I was just the second customer who got this installed in Trondheim. So only yesterday somebody got it, and then today me. That was kind of fun. And as he said, it's kind of a genius system, and I tend to agree now when I see it. They did, however, screw things up a little bit again. I bought this car with the bike rack. I didn't get the bike rack when I picked up the car in October. I just figured I will get it when they install the transport hook. But no, they did not know where it was. Yeah, I'll get it. I have paid for it, so and they got the money for it, so it will show up somehow. But let's go outside and look at the tow hook. Not a tow hook. Let's go outside and take a look at the transport hook and how that looks. The hook, the look of the hook. Let's take a look at the hook. Oh yes, this is a good channel. I know you think so. Nothing there? Oh yes, there is. Look at that. And this thing goes out. Let's take a look here. Free gloves there. And this little bag. So there it is. Oh, greasy. So that goes out. Goes in. Oh, schmuck. And there's this key. So there it is. That's stuck. Oh my god, that's really stuck. So to get it out, have the key, turn it, and drag this out. Like this, and then out and forward like this. And then it comes off. I think this is kind of genius. So 55 kilos, max 2 bikes. But now it's cold. I'm going to go inside the car again. Okay, there we go. So what do you think, guys and girls, women and men, children and youth? Are you impressed? Of course, we'll have to get the bike rack too, so that will be interesting. Maybe the bike rack will get its own video, I think. Yeah, I don't have time to make videos like right now. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe if you want to do that, if you want to see more videos from me. Also, if you want to, buy me a coffee at ko-fi.com/Frode, or please click on one of the links below the video. I don't make any money from this, so okay, thank you. See you in the next one. Snakkes. I forgot to tell you that when I talked to the guy at the dealership, he said, I asked him about software updates and if he knew something about when the big 2.1 update arrives, and he said, we don't really know. It's talk about between February and April. So, but the thing we hear the most is in the beginning of March. So he didn't know, but he was pretty sure that it would make the car very, very good. And from my perspective, this car is good. So very, very good. I like. It's very, very good. Yes, it's very, very good. So that's the news from the dealership in Trondheim. These guys are informed. Somewhat. More informed than me or you. That's for sure. Okay, that's all. Thank you.